lot of talk around our shop lately with clients and partners and industry associates about the role of technology and automation in society in general and supply chain specifically, and whether tech is a benevolent force that helps humans in society or whether it's an evil force that's eventually going to take us over Skynet style. And our position has never really changed. We feel like our mantra is to create Iron Man, not Terminator. It's really to augment human beings and make their lives better. It's to take our best qualities and amplify those. And at the same time, it's to have technology do things that humans aren't good at because they're dangerous, repetitive, cumbersome, strenuous, anything like that. So we really try to focus all of our development on whether this tech is going to be efficiently helping people that it works with and in and around, or whether it's going to be taking things from humans that they really enjoy or really feel good about. So that's really been the focus for us, and it continues today. And we really feel like, what's the point of technology if it isn't doing those things? So I think that every time anyone is developing tech, is implementing tech, onboarding technology someone else developed, those discussions should happen, and they should happen with the people that are using the technology and interacting with it. And we should all be really looking at ways to make sure it fits in not only seamlessly, but it makes us better at the things that we do well, and it takes away those things that we either don't like or don't like to do or can't do well.